Hey, have you heard about Chenergy? Oh yeah, it's amazing. It's like having a personal energy coach in your
Save this video for later so that you can share this video with someone you care about.
pocket. Character totally. With Chenergy, you can track your energy levels throughout the day, and it gives you personalized recommendations to optimize your energy. It's so simple to use too. Just log your activities and emotions, and Chenergy does the rest. Plus, it analyzes your data and provides valuable insights to help you make positive changes. I love how it helps me balance my work, exercise, and relaxation. And it reminds me to take breaks and recharge when I need it the most. It's like having a supportive friend cheering me on. Exactly. Chenergy empowers me to live a more balanced and energized life. So if you want to level up your energy game, give Chenergy a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Let's conquer our days with boundless energy. DM me direct or click on the link below. Download Chenergy now and let the energy revolution begin. Go to gardenaffirmation.com, energize your life.